Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, once again, I'm present with another latest update of Stellar XLM. What's going on in the Stellar XLM? In this video, we are going to feature: can Stellar XLM make you millionaire or not? Can XLM give you a profit in the future or not? Can XLM make you rich in the future or not? In this video, we are going to discuss the future price of the XLM. My friends, first of all, I request everyone, those people who listen my voice, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. The currently latest price of the XLM is 0.25 USD dollar. 0.25 USD dollar is the currently price of the XLM. Furthermore, if we talk about the trading volume of the XLM, market cap, available supply, total supply of the XLM, so everything is going good. The investor of XLM is going to increase day by day, hour by hour, but unfortunately now in June month is the bad month of the XLM. You can see in the June the price of XLM is very fast down. But my friends, that's not mean that you are disappointed by the XLM. No, my friends. That's not possible for a coin, for a cryptocurrencies market that only pump. No, my friends, absolutely they fast down for some time. For 1 day, for 2 days, and after some passage of time, the price will again start pumping. So for profit, my friends, you have to hold. And my personal prediction about XLM is that if you hold for long term, if you invest in an XLM for long term, so absolutely there's no doubt that they will make you millionaire, they will make you richest. My friends, the June month is the bad month of the XLM, so that's not mean that the future month is also bad month. No. And the future, there is a higher possibilities. There is a lot of chances to the price will pump in the next coming soon month. That's why I really recommend for everyone that please invest in XLM because the currently price of XLM is very low. And I hope in the next month there is a higher possibilities to the price of XLM going to hit a 1 USD dollar. Possibilities, my friends. Anyways, personally I believe that XLM gives profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about XLM? Please also tell them in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.